Give her some gas. Holy crap. Today we got a special guest. This is a guy that's passionate about his vehicle. His name's Corey. Will you tell him, Corey, please, what type of vehicle is this we're working on?
This is a 2021 Dodge Throttle.
He's lucky to own a vehicle like this. But today, we're gonna be sharing with you the very, very subtleties to cleaning out any carbon inside the motor on this vehicle with the Power Foam. This is a proprietary cleaner that goes inside the throttle body. We're gonna be taking you along this journey, showing you all the subtleties of cleaning out the inside of this engine, cleaning the tops of the pistons, cleaning the throttle body. Let's get all this ethanol-related carbon buildup. This product can be used on all different types of vehicles. So not only can you do it on a car, do it on motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, scooters, mopeds, small engines, string trimmers, you name it. This sucker blows out that carbon, and that's what you're gonna see. All right, Corey, go ahead and wiggle this engine cover off. You're gonna take this plastic cover off, so just grab it, just give it a wiggle jiggle and pull up on it.
Right here?
Yep, grab it with both hands and just go
To the side here.
Yep, just grab this here. Yep, and this should just lightly pop up. And right there. Yep, just be easy. Do a little jiggle, wiggle, jiggle. There we go. So we're going right inside here.
Okay.
Let's see what we need. We might need a flathead or a 10 mil. I think that's 8 or 10 mil. So let's go ahead and grab an 8 and 10 mil and a flathead. All right, we're gonna go ahead and loosen this little teeny throttle body screw. He's got the 8 mil on it, and he's just gonna loosen that up. We're gonna be removing this little guy right here. And now let's see how this comes off.
There's a button, it looks like, right here.
Yep, so you should be able to pop that off. Might be spring pressured, so hold the other side as you're doing it, yeah. Yep. All right, we wiggled this off with the plier, with the flathead, and this right here cracked. This is a super thin piece of plastic, so be careful with it. This car has been out here in the high heat, so the plastic gets really brittle, so we're gonna replace this little tab. And now we got this little plumbing off. Now let's go ahead and see if we can wiggle this off. We should be able to wiggle it. See if it'll come. Are there any wires holding this on?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and unplug that if we can. You can set that hose down and see if you can just keep that plastic. And we'll see if we can figure out that little plug, which I'll get some light on you.
Yeah.
Let me get some light. Should have some light on her. Let's see how it looks. Let's flip it around the other way. So let's remove this. Go ahead and move this hose by taking that off with the socket. And then we're gonna flip this whole thing around once we unplug it. Or you can use a flathead too. You can use 8 mil or flathead. That's good. Now wiggle it and pull it straight out. Both hands, just wiggle. Go wiggle, 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 take it off. Yep, you got it. Now you should be able to rotate this thing so we can get a good look at the wire, but just don't pull on the wire. Yep, rotate it all the way around. Keep going, and right there, so we can get a good look. How's it looking? Does it look like it just needs a little flathead to pop it off or what? Let's see. Or do you just push down? It looks like you just push down on it right here. Yep, so just push down here and wiggle and pull. It should go. Yep, push down in that little tab and now see if it wiggles and pulls. Got it, all right. So that's our one sensor. Now you can take this whole piece and set it on the ground. Gently, yep. All right. And now we have access to the throttle body. So when we're spraying this Power Foam here, we're just gonna avoid any sensors. So any of these electronics and stuff we're gonna stay away from. There shouldn't be any sensors back here that are gonna be in our way. Let's see, nope, there's just that. You should be good. So we're gonna be going straight into the throttle body, cleaning that out right now. Let's do it. All right, it's time to start cleaning. Corey's gonna be on aerosol. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this at 1500 RPM. Let's do it.
Hopefully
Might sputter out a little bit because the one mass airflow sensor is disconnected, but no big deal. All right, we are on and we are gonna start at 1500 RPM right now. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Go ahead and start spraying.
Okay, motored up.
All right, motored on. Now we're gonna go ahead and let her stand for about 10 minutes, and it's about time to reassemble. And another thing we're gonna do is the PI Performance Improver Gasoline Additive, which we're gonna put in right now. And one little subtlety, if you wanna give her a little extra drink, which we got quite a bit left, we're gonna go ahead and push her open, spray a little more in, which we got some. So we're gonna finish the rest of this can. All right, now it's time for us to go right on ahead and reassemble.
Yeah, so it's a little shaky. Why is it shaking like that?
Right now it's cleaning all that carbon buildup sitting on top of the pistons. That caked on crap is coming out your exhaust right now. You're gonna see all this fog. Just give it a little throttle blip. Yep, all that crap's coming out. Your check engine light's probably on because we disconnected the mass airflow sensor, and we can reset that when we take your battery off. But let's go around the block and see how she runs. Now it's time to go ahead and throw in the PI Performance Improver. That's the engine flush. Let me get the PI cleaner.
I did that.
All right, time to put in our PI Performance Improver. Take this, Corey, and put this in. This is the fuel additive that's gonna clean inside your engine. Now, if you're doing an oil change, I highly recommend doing the power foam when you do the oil change. Great time to clean her up. I usually do
You have a key or something?
this whole cleaning process. Yep, I do. I do this whole cleaning process every year on my personal car. And it's just a great process to throw in power foam, the throttle body, and do the PI cleaner. This one I do about every 3,000 miles on my car. So the injectors atomize a lot better, makes you better power. And it's a really high quality additive. They actually did a test with that with the GM 5.3 liter, and it made, what did it make? Like, it made like, I think 16% or 14% more horsepower in the dyno. So it's a game changer when it comes to cleaning up your whole entire fuel system. And it's that easy, anyone can do it. You just want to pop it in, and it's been about 15 minutes. So now we're going to give you what we like to refer to on the channel, the smoke show. You're going to see all that carbon buildup come out, all this caked on stuff that happened on this car because of dealership oil is a certain level of quality. Then there's other aftermarket oils that are better, and then there's AMSOIL that are the best. And those detergents are proprietary, and the base stock is proprietary. So it's 100% synthetic base stock. Then you got the higher quality detergents, and it doesn't burn like the other oil, so it doesn't leave all the caked on crap that's inside the exhaust. So Corey, go ahead and start her up, and let's show them the carbon that comes out. We'll give them the smoke show.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser.
Go ahead and just give it a little bit of gas. Yep. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take her out for a little test drive and see how she runs. We got quite a bit of smoke coming out the back. You can see it all back there. Oh yeah, lots of smoke going out that sucker.
Is it really bad?
Yep. Go ahead and give her some gas, Corey. Give her some gas. Holy crap. What a smoke show. So that's all those years of burnt carbon that just came out of that motor. And so when you're running that cheap oil at the dealership, that's the junk that's building up in your catalytic converters, clogging up your engine. And this is why we're helping a local friend here in Las Vegas. We're sharing the very secrets to getting a vehicle to run better than brand new. So if you're new to the channel, I highly recommend subscribing right now. You can come back and watch more. If you have any questions on your vehicle, no matter what vehicle you have, leave a comment below. If you have a direct injection vehicle, we have an additive that'll clean that as well, that I showed in my personal car. And you're gonna see it's gonna really clear out as he runs that cleaner through, and it's gonna get cleaner and cleaner and cleaner. And yeah, it's definitely something that I personally do yearly. So check out this video right here. If you want to try the AMSOIL products, you can go to syntheticoilprotection.net. I'll be here to help you with all the products, and I'll be your go-to for helping out with anything I can with cars on how to really clean up any type of motor equipment. So let's hear from Corey right now what he's thinking. Let's see what he has to say.
Ka-band.
right. So how you feeling, Corey?
Feels a lot better, yeah?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So yeah, all those years from the dealership, that's what that junk builds up. So now we're gonna go do his engine flush on his vehicle right now with the oil change that keeps your car clean and doesn't have buildup like this. So definitely subscribe. Check out syntheticoilprotection.net if you want to try the products. If you have any questions, leave them down below. We'll see you. Thanks, Corey, for helping out.
No problem.
See you on the next one. Check out this video right here.